Understanding the internal architecture of a modern trading environment is crucial for active risk management. When evaluating a high-performance system like Brondesburyglobal, the most critical factor before investing goes far beyond surface-level descriptions or visual design. Over 90% of standard retail platforms utilize internal market-making models, which can introduce artificial execution delays and pricing filters. A professional approach requires looking straight at the structural back-end of Brondesburyglobal to understand exactly how orders are routed. Analyzing the balance between institutional liquidity and retail order flow helps determine the actual efficiency of the trading environment. Retail participants must learn to distinguish between simple interfaces and institutional-grade routing networks before placing any real capital in the market. Technical transparency depends entirely on how high-volume transactions are processed every single day. Analyzing professional Brondesburyglobal reviews shows that experienced investors focus deeply on straight-through processing and direct market access frameworks. The underlying infrastructure is engineered to route market orders directly to Tier 1 global liquidity streams without passing through internal dealing desks. This deep level of data precision becomes clear when looking at the live market sentiment tools embedded in the platform. For example, the system accurately displays collective positioning changes, such as the current 71% bullish sentiment on Bitcoin or the 62% bullish signal on the EUR-USD pair. When operating on the live dashboard, the high-speed execution engine updates these asset values instantly, mitigating the risk of artificial price slippage. This technical stability across currency pairs, indices, and digital assets ensures a scalable environment built for precise execution. Beyond pure execution speeds and technical indicators, long-term capital preservation relies heavily on systemic safety and strictly defined accounting protocols. When analytical traders look past the market noise to evaluate the Brondesburyglobal scam or no question, they focus entirely on data transparency and fund safety. Many global market participants consider Brondesburyglobal legit because the ecosystem utilizes fully segregated corporate bank accounts. This operational structure means that client trading capital is kept entirely separate from operational finances at all times. Risk management is reinforced through flexible order execution tools, including strict take-profit boundaries and automated stop-loss parameters designed to protect balances during unexpected volatility spikes. Withdrawal processes follow an automated, highly encrypted verification protocol with a standard entry threshold starting at $250, ensuring capital accessibility whenever market conditions dictate a strategic exit. Ultimately, professional trading requires a strict focus on mathematical facts, infrastructure stability, and disciplined risk management. The integration of live heat maps, continuous data synchronization, and multi-asset coverage provides an advanced framework for individuals who take financial markets seriously. This level of system clarity explains why active professionals consider Brondesburyglobal legit for strategic capital management. Successful operations depend on testing execution speeds directly, evaluating market access feeds, and making strategic decisions based on verified statistical metrics rather than emotional opinions. True consistency is achieved by utilizing stable infrastructure, monitoring institutional capital flows, and maintaining absolute discipline across changing market conditions.